Hello and welcome to the Flipping and Wholesaling Houses in New York show. I am Michael Pinter, where I teach you how to start flipping or wholesaling houses in New York, or if you're already doing it, how to grow your business. So I got a question about an option contract. Let's explain what that means. An option contract would be a situation where you would go to a seller and say, listen, I don't know if I can buy the house. I'm willing to pay you a certain amount of money, say $1,000. If you give me a month or two to do some due diligence, and if I don't buy it, you keep the money. And if I do buy it, maybe you credit me the $1,000 into my purchase price. Usually, you'd probably figure out a price. You say, listen, I want to buy the property at X dollars, maybe $400,000, $300,000, but I'm not sure because there's some other issues. I've never ever seen it used in New York on a residential deal. It is used occasionally on a large commercial deal. So you maybe want to buy a $50 million building. You can put an option on it to buy it. But what more likely on commercial even is you'll go into contract with a due diligence period for a month or two for you to do the work. So it's not even used that often in commercial. Now, what it does really is lock up the deal for you, leaving the seller, putting the seller in a position where you can't sell it to anybody else until your contract expires. It makes sense. I've never seen it used. Doesn't mean it can't be used. It probably is a good idea if the seller really feels like he's desperate. And it really gives you in every other state what they do when they sign a contract, right? They sign a contract, you have a due diligence period, an inspection contingency, and you can get out. It's basically the same thing, and it costs you nothing or minimal amounts. But I would see sellers wanting to do it if you could put up a decent amount of money, a few $1,000s, or it might be there. But if they feel like they have an asset that's really something that's going to sell, their house something that's going to sell, they may not want to lock it up. So I've never ever seen it used in New York. It doesn't mean it can't be used. It's actually something that's interesting. This question had me thinking, and maybe there were situations where I could use it. I'm buying a lot of properties now occupied by uncooperative tenants, and maybe an option contract is something that I could use. As I say it, I'm interested in it, right? Because a lot of these people feel like they have no place to go. So I've never seen it used, but it's something that could be used. So I want to thank you for your comment. I really appreciate it. If you're interested in the different ways I can help you, go to howtoflipnewyork.com. If you're interested in coaching, go to coaching.howtoflipnewyork.com. Please like these videos. A thumbs up really help my search engine optimization, my SEO. A lot more people are seeing the videos lately because of more likes. And if you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe and keep the comments coming. Any questions or no bad questions? I got a question yesterday about something that I had done several videos on. So I just sent him 3 links to the videos I had done on it. So there's no bad questions. There are no questions that are too basic. There are no questions that you don't have to worry if I just did a topic on it. I'll just send you a link to the video. So keep the questions coming. I really appreciate them. Thank you very, very much for watching.